Don't be shy. Turn around and let's have a proper look at you. Oh yeah, let's see if you can really impress me. Not so fast, handsome. You'll have to make the right impression before you get in here.
Sorry to interrupt. Basically, I can't get in the cube unless I can impress her, so I basically just come up with a really good chat-up line. Do you have any recommendations?
Did it hurt your bum when you fell from heaven?
Next.
How about you complete me?
You bore me.
Oh! A classics. Without you, my life's like an empty box.
Nice try.
Looks like I've just been struck by Cupid.
Oh, please.
Unpermitted.
I would never have guessed.
2 bears on a block of ice. Well, that's the icebreaker out of the way.
What material is that you're wearing? Boyfriend material.
Try again. I like your style. You can come in.
Welcome to the Cube.
Finally, you discovered the secret? No matter how good your lines are, there's a quicker way to impress me.